high profile tower crane accidents is it used to be you could only do a tower crane on the weekend. So you had Friday 5 p.m. to Sunday at like 3 p.m. to get the thing out of there.
Yeah, I think that was what's in the UK.
And it cost about $70,000 an hour anytime after that you had to pay for the cops to do traffic control. Now they've said, no, you can have a crane, you can have a road closure anytime you want. You want to go into Wednesday, you go right ahead. Because, yeah, well, because it's all overtime when you're doing it on the weekend like that. And like these guys are paying a fortune. Like, it costs you, $30,000 to take your crane down. So they were like rushing. And the margins are so tight that, that's why there's so many accidents. Again, that's my opinion. Most of the accidents have been inexperienced crews or rushing, cutting corners to get things done. And I think it's a well-known fact that tower cranes and like high-rise residential, there's no money to be made in it unless you can get it done really quickly. Okay, range diagram.
Yes.
Generally, this...
The no-fly zone.
Not a no-fly zone, no. I mean, it depends on the crane. But usually what I do with this is I get the height of the building.
Okay.
And I get a little piece of paper. Well, not this one. No, this is it. I just need and I will say the building is 50 feet. Or 55 feet, whatever it may be. I'll put it here, and then I'll follow these lines and see how close I need to be to get where I have to be on the roof. If I have to get over the building, well, then I have to learn exactly where or what, what I can do to get over the building. Right. So if I use my jib, the actual jib one should have the lines going down. And then you put it corresponding to the height and then you move it to where you can, to where it's going to hit one of these corresponding lines. And then you can kind of see how close you have to be. Generally like, a 10-story building, I'm going to have to be like, so we're looking at 100 feet. To get to here, obviously I'm going to have to jib up and be at about 30 feet.
Right.
So that's kind of use this in conjunction with your chart to find out where you need to put the crane. Once you have the crane down, it's all pretty easy from there. It's a video game. You can't be rammy, but 90% of your thought is going to go into where you put that crane and how you configure that crane.